Stop scrolling. If your life feels stuck, money not growing, confidence unstable, relationships confusing, business inconsistent, this video is not motivation, it's an explanation. Stay till the end, because once you see the pattern, you can't unsee it. And that's when change starts. Most people think they need more effort. They don't. They need alignment. Let me explain. People don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they're scattered. One day they focus on money, the next on motivation, then relationships, then business, with no system tying it all together. Progress leaks when life is fragmented. That's why Rise exists. Rise isn't a trend. It's a structure for real-life growth. Let's start with self. If your mind is undisciplined, everything else collapses. Focus, energy, health. These are not extras. They are the engine. A tired mind makes bad decisions. A distracted mind chases shortcuts. That's why most people quit early. Now, relationships. Your confidence determines how people treat you. If you don't respect your time, others won't. If you don't set boundaries, you'll be drained. Strong relationships are not about attraction. They're about self-respect. Next is wealth. Money doesn't follow effort. It follows leverage. People who trade time for money stay capped. People who build systems, content, skills, digital assets, remove ceilings. This is where affiliate income fits naturally. Not selling, guiding, and then business. Business is simply problem solving at scale. You don't need a company, you need clarity. Tools exist to automate, publish, and grow. But tools only work when mindset and discipline are already there. Here's the truth nobody says clearly. You can't fix money problems with money strategies alone. You can't fix confidence with affirmations. You can't fix business without personal discipline. Everything rises together or it collapses together. Most people consume content for entertainment. Winners consume for alignment. They build habits slowly. They post even when nobody watches. They improve quietly. If you want to rise, stop asking what's fast. Start asking what compounds. This channel exists to help you rise in all 4 areas, without confusion, without hype, without burnout. I've pinned tools below that support mindset, income systems, and focus. Use them only if you're serious about long-term growth. Stay consistent, stay aligned, stay rising. Subscribe to this Rise channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. See you in the next video.